Welcome to Tikiliper channel. Today's video, I'll show you how to fix hyping on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. Now, at first, what you have to do is just go to your search bar and in here type for settings. Then from the best matches, just open up settings. Then just maximize this. From here, you can go inside internet, network and internet. And from here, you just need to click on change adapter options. From here, if you're using Wi-Fi, go to your Wi-Fi, or if you're using Ethernet, just right-click on it and click on Properties. From here, go to Internet Protocol version 4, which is also IPv4, and click on Properties. From here, you need to set a custom DNS, so just select Use the following DNS server and add a DNS server of your choice. You can find different ones on Google. Just try them out, whichever works for you, just put that one in. After that, just click on OK. Then from here, just go to Configure. Then from here, you can try to wiggle around with this kind of settings if you like, and it might do something, help, or you can just go ahead and try to update your drivers. Just search automatically for drivers and make sure you're updated to the latest version of the drivers. Then what you're gonna do is just close all this and go to search and search for CMD and open up CMD. From here, just type ipconfig/flush DNS. This is gonna flush the DNS server for you, and then just exit it. Then just go ahead and restart your PC, and I hope your problem will be fixed. And basically that is how to fix hyping issue on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.